Welcome to Dark Creation Studios. In this video we'll be drawing an easy bowling pin. And to make things easier we'll be using the symmetry tool, so let's get into it. So we'll go over to the tool icon, then we'll go to canvas, enable our drawing guide, then edit drawing guide, and we'll just click on the symmetry tool down below and click the check mark. Okay, so starting from our guide, we're gonna come down for our bowling pin, and as we create the shape for the bowling pin, you'll notice whatever we do to the left side here happening to the right at the same time. So the symmetry tool good for creating shapes like this. And then we'll end off our bowling pin. And lastly, we'll go ahead and put in these lines that are commonly seen on bowling pins. And we could shade it in. And yeah guys, we finished with our bowling pin. So now we're gonna kick it into time lapse to do the final linking, and we'll be back. Alright guys, so we're back after the time lapse, and as you know, clean. So now we have our bowling pin to go along with our bowling ball. But we're missing one thing, and bam! And there you have it guys, the final illustration. We hope you learned something, we hope you enjoyed, and we hope to see you guys on the next one. Alright, see ya.